Good morning, students. We have seen negation of conjunction, that is disjunction of their negations. Negation of disjunction is the conjunction of their negations. These two laws are called De Morgan's laws. Also, we have seen negation of implication, that is the conjunction of P and negation Q. Now we are going to see negation of negation. Negation of negation is the statement itself. We have only one statement, so there are only two possibilities there, true and false. And negation of P, that is false and true. If statement is true, its negation is false. If statement is false, its negation is true. Now we have to take negation of negation, that is the negation of negation is the nothing but if statement is false, then its negation is true. If statement is true, its negation is false. Now see the entries in the column. One entry which are identical, therefore we can write negation of negation. It's the statement itself. For example, let P is the statement such that the sky is cloudy. Therefore, its negation is the statement such that the sky is not cloudy. Now next point is negation of biconditional. We know that double implication is nothing but double implication of P if and only if Q is P then Q and Q then P. So therefore negation of P and if and only if Q is nothing but P and Q, P and negation Q, or Q and negation P. We can prove this result by using truth tables as follows. We have to prove negation of P if and only if Q is equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation P, right? So here we have only two statements there. So there are four rows. What is LHS? P if and only if Q and its negation. So negation of P if and only if Q. Now what is RHS? P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So we have to make column for negation P, negation Q. So we can take P and negation Q, Q and negation P. For this whole statement, we take only yes. Okay, so I write here yes only. Okay, you have to write this statement pattern here. We have no space here, so I write only yes for statement pattern. Okay, what are the possibilities? True, false, true, false. When statements are true, then there are four possibilities. What is the rule for double implication? If both the statement having same truth value, then its a double implication is taken as true, whether they are both true or both false. Both the statement having same truth value, then its a biconditional is taken to be true. In all other cases, it is taken to be false. What is the negation of P if and only if Q? That is the opposite meaning of this, that is false, true, true, false. What is negation P? Opposite of P, and that is false, false, true, true. Negation Q is nothing but false, true, false, true. P and negation Q. So we have to take P and negation Q. Means we have to take the conjunction between P and negation Q. What is the rule for conjunction? Both are true, then true, otherwise false. Here in second number, here P is true and negation Q is true. So this is true. In all other cases, it is taken to be false. Q and negation P. So we have to take Q and negation P. What is the rule for again conjunction? If both are true, then true, otherwise false. You can see here, third value is true, both true, then true, otherwise it is taken to be false. Now we have to take the conjunction. What is yes? Disjunction of these two statements. So we have to take disjunction of these two statements. Correct? What is the rule for disjunction? Both are false, then false, otherwise true. So here we have false, true, true, false. Now give the number to the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is LHS negation of P if and only if Q, which is in column number 4, and this statement pattern is in column number 9. You can see entries in the columns 4 and 9 are identical, so therefore we can write as negation of P if and only if Q is nothing but disjunction of P and negation Q and Q and negation P. This is the disjunction of these two statements. Correct? So that is the negation of double implication. For example, let P is the statement such that the sky is cloudy and Q is the statement such that it will be raining. Then P if and only if Q is the statement such that the sky is cloudy, IFF, that is if. It means that if and only if it will be raining. When two statements are connected by connective phrase if and only if and only if, in short it is written as IFF, that is if it will be raining. So therefore negation of P if and only if Q is equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation P, which gives negation of P if and only if Q is the statement such that the sky is cloudy and negation Q, that is it will not be raining or this is nothing but or it will be raining, Q statement, that is it will be raining and the sky is not cloudy. See how it is written. P and negation Q, that is the sky is cloudy. P statement as it is. You have to write statement P as it is. The sky is cloudy and we have to write here and it will be raining or it will be raining, statement Q as it is, and negation P, that is the opposite meaning of the statement P, the sky is not cloudy.